In this video, I'm gonna show you the website called Nightcafe Creator, and a website that allows you to create a piece of art pictures from words. So basically it works like they have the AI which calculates the words that you wrote, and it will create art from them. So we start with opening a web browser, then go to search and start writing Night Cafe AI and press search, and it's this website, Nightcafe.studio. So we press on it, and from here we can go to create. Now we're waiting till our profile loads up, so you will probably need to create your own account on this website to get the art, and you'll also need credits to make the pictures, and you can buy them or just complete these achievements. You'll have a lot of them because I already did mine, so they're not showing here. So you can complete these achievements to get free credits. So I have 6, and I'm gonna press create to create new art, and we're going with text to image or video, and from here you can already start typing your words. But first let's go to advanced options, because you can either disable like this. Now it's disabled, now it's enabled. The advanced options, which allow you to change seed, add your own image to actually start the AI will start doing its picture from your image. Then we can go to aspect ratio to change the aspect ratio. You can create a video, you can change the resolution and runtime, so basically it changes the resolution and how long the AI will be creating a picture, but it also costs credits if you increase that. Then you can change the output resolution to whatever you want. I'm going with low resolution, and it also costs more credits. So we are going to go back to the top and start writing. So I want to write dancing elephant, and now we can close our keyboard, scroll down. We have low resolution, runtime on short, and for 2 credits we can create the art. So let's press that, and from here we'll need to wait for a few minutes till it's actually complete. So let's wait for that process. You can also scroll down. If you press on your picture, then show progress images, and you'll see how the progress goes. So right now it's 0%, and it's just put the canvas on, and now it's starting to build up. Just look at that. Okay, so our art is complete. It has 100%, and as you can see the shapes of elephants, and they are kind of dancing. So yeah, it's a really cool app if you want to bring your own sentences or words to life, and you can even buy a print if you want. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.